Did you know that the first known swimming pool dates back to ancient Rome, around 300 BC? They were called natatio, and were used for leisure and training. Swimming pools have come a long way since then, becoming an integral part of modern life. From backyard pool parties to competitive Olympic events, swimming pools have evolved to cater to various needs and purposes. But have you ever wondered, who exactly came up with the idea of creating a swimming pool? The truth is, the origins of swimming pools are shrouded in mystery. Despite being an essential part of modern infrastructure, historical records about their creation are scarce. It's astonishing how little we know about the pioneers behind this revolutionary concept. We take swimming pools for granted, using them recreationally or competitively, but their history remains a puzzle waiting to be solved. For centuries, historians and researchers have been trying to uncover the roots of swimming pools. They've scoured through ancient texts, excavated ruins, and studied the evolution of water structures. Yet, the identity of the creator remains unknown. It's as if the inventors of swimming pools deliberately left behind no trace, leaving us to speculate and guess. The lack of historical records has sparked numerous theories and debates. Some believe that ancient civilizations like the Egyptians, Greeks, or Romans might have built the first swimming pools. Others propose that it could have been a gradual innovation, with multiple cultures contributing to its development. The mystery surrounding the origins of swimming pools has only added to their allure, making us more curious about their history. Water structures have been around for thousands of years, with ancient Roman baths and Greek fountains being notable examples. The concept of confined water spaces dates back to ancient civilizations in Mesopotamia, Egypt, and Greece. These early water structures were primarily used for bathing, sanitation, and irrigation. Over time, they evolved to accommodate recreational and sporting activities, eventually giving birth to modern swimming pools. One of the most significant developments in swimming pool history came with the invention of the filtration system. This innovation enabled the construction of larger, more sustainable pools, which in turn led to the creation of modern swimming pool complexes. The development of swimming pool technology has been a gradual process, with numerous contributors shaping its course. From the construction of the first modern swimming pool in England in 1837 to the Olympic-sized pools we see today, swimming pools have undergone a remarkable transformation. The early pools were often filled with salt water, which was later replaced by freshwater systems. The introduction of chlorination, pumps, and modern materials has further enhanced swimming pool design and functionality. Meet Gaius Maecenas, a Roman statesman and an engineer, who is credited with building the first swimming pool in ancient Rome. Legend has it that Maecenas was passionate about water engineering, and designed several aquatic structures, including the famous baths of Maecenas. His work laid the foundation for modern swimming pool architecture, earning him recognition as one of the pioneers in this field. Gaius Maecenas' contribution to the history of swimming pools is nothing short of remarkable. His innovative designs and engineering expertise paved the way for future generations of pool builders. Although we may never know the exact details of his work, Maecenas' legacy continues to inspire and influence the development of modern swimming pools. As we've journeyed through the history of swimming pools, it's clear that their evolution has been a gradual process, shaped by the contributions of numerous individuals and civilizations. From ancient water structures to modern swimming pool complexes, their impact on society has been profound. Thanks for joining me on this fascinating journey through the history of swimming pools. If you have any thoughts or stories about swimming pools, share them with us in the comments below. And if you're interested in exploring more about the history of water sports, be sure to check out our next video.